So we're really gonna do this. I haven't done this in a long time, so I should probably reintroduce myself. My name is Aileen. Welcome back. If you have been with me since forever ago, I'm not sure when I started this channel, but we're changing it up. I decided to come back on because I wanted to, and the timing felt right. Something about, you know when you just get this feeling like something needs to happen, and then one day you're like, this is it, I'm doing it. So here I am. As you can see, my background is totally different. Last time that I filmed, I was in California. I did move back during the pandemic, so at the end of the summer, I moved back to New England. I've been here for a couple years, and I moved to New Hampshire. Living in New Hampshire, went back to my old position as an optometrist where I was working before, and I've been working pretty much almost full time. I decided I wanted to come back at a different level. Don't know if I'll be talking about makeup all the time. No, I might pop it into favorites and stuff like that because I do want to do those. Those are fun to watch. But I will be talking about food, nutrition, books, reading. I am the biggest book nerd. As you can see from my background, I dove back into reading, which has always been something that I loved. And I started doing that when we went into quarantine. Like, I literally just dove back in. I'm basically back just to say hi. I should probably reintroduce myself. My name is Aileen. I am a 46-year-old woman who is an optometrist. I am a mom to 2 boys. I was living in California for about 3.5 years, and I moved back at the end of July to New England, where I'm originally from. In the past year, I actually got a certification for nutritional therapy as a nutritional therapy practitioner. And so I had been wanting to do that for so long, and I did it during this year, finished in July, got my certification. It was a 10-month intensive course. And it was tough, but I loved it. As you guys know, I've always been into nutrition and how it can change and heal you. And I am a huge believer in that. I had made a video, which is probably one of the videos that I still to this day get comments on. It is the video on SVT, which is supraventricular tachycardia, which it's a condition that I discovered that I have a few years ago, and I honestly have not had any episodes in, I want to say, over a year to a year and a half, a true episode. But I'm going to do a separate video on that because there's been a lot of people who have left me comments wondering if I'm okay, and I am wonderful. I am healthy, and I'll talk about all of that in a separate video. I just wanted to come on here and say hello, and just saying that I will be coming back to do videos on anything that resonates with me at the moment. And it's not going to be focused on just like nutrition or cooking, reading. I do want to talk about books, what I'm reading, what I'm enjoying, lifestyle stuff that I love that I'm using in my kitchen, cooking videos, like just stuff that's like easy hacks that I do in my daily life because they make things easier for me. Working full time and having kids and trying to do it all at the same time is decompressing, finding time for yourself, eating well, working out. Like, it can get overwhelming, and you just kind of have to find things that work for you. Hacks.
Like, in terms of like for example, what am I even saying?
What am I drinking? One of my favorite mugs. I got it at Marshall's. I am drinking some cinnamon tea. So I basically boil the cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon tea with some almond milk and stevia and actually a little bit of maca powder, which I've been using for a while, and I'll have to do a whole video on supplements and what I like to use. And I can't remember at the moment what I use it for because I can't remember, but yeah, that's the beauty of filming without planning it. I thank you so much for checking in. If there is anything that you guys want to see content on, let me know. I would love to chat on about that on it. Honestly, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on different things, cooking and reading, and I just thought that this would be amazing to do because I enjoy it. I love it. So here we are. I hope you guys are well. I will talk to you on another day.
Next video. How do we do this again?